Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever owned a Milwaukee M-Spector for a while, you've probably wondered whether it's worth upgrading to their newest inspection camera. Today we're putting the original M-Spector AV, their 2311-20, up against their latest M12 M-Spector. That's their 360 2324-21. The older one's like 10 years older, I think. So we're gonna look at image quality, lighting, camera size, cable length, ease of use, recording features, and most importantly, how they perform, right, in job site situations. So at first glance, these cameras look pretty similar. They're both powered by Milwaukee's M12 battery platform and are designed for inspecting areas that are just difficult or impossible to see directly. But once you start using them, I think the differences will be obvious to you. The 2311-20's been around for well over a decade. I've had it for a long time, and it served contractors and myself really well. Now, the newer 2324 isn't just a cosmetic upgrade. It has improvements in almost every area that matters. For example, display and image quality. When you look at image quality, that's probably the first thing you will notice. The 2311, it uses a 3.5-inch display with a lower resolution camera. It works, but the image is noticeably grainier, especially when it gets darker spaces. Now the 2324 features a larger 4.3 image display with a much sharper 720p camera. Now, it kind of reminds me of like the upgrades on our phones. The cameras just keep getting better. Looking at these things side by side though, it's much easier to identify wire colors, fasteners, plumbing fixtures, small cracks with the newer model, for sure. I think you'll notice that. For anyone troubleshooting electrical, plumbing, HVAC, maybe even automotive stuff, the clarity is going to make a real difference for you folks. Let's talk about the camera head. One of the biggest upgrades that you might not notice until you're maybe trying to use the camera, the head, right? Trying to fit into a small opening. The 2311 uses a 17 millimeter head camera, whereas the 2324 uses just a 10 millimeter camera. So that smaller camera, it's going to fit through tighter holes, maybe inside conduit, around framing or behind cabinets, into spaces and places that the older camera with the bigger head simply can't reach because it can't make that radius turn. Cable length is another major improvement. The older M-Spector includes a 3-foot cable. The newer version stretches that to 10 feet. That extra reach, it makes inspections inside walls, cavities, ceilings, HVAC ductwork, crawl spaces, drains, engine compartments way easier without constantly repositioning the tool, right, or trying to move ahead. For remodelers and service techs, this alone may justify the upgrade. I know for me, it's a game changer. Both cameras use LED lights around that camera lens. The newer camera offers finer brightness adjustments, making it easier to reduce kind of glare from shiny surfaces like maybe a copper pipe or stainless steel, PVC ductwork, whatever. Another upgrade is the image rotation. This is probably my favorite feature. With the older camera, the image is upside down basically. You're twisting the entire tool or your head sometimes to look at things. The new M-Spector 360 allows you to rotate the display, rotate the image, right? Keeping that display pretty comfortable to view, or you can tilt it to whatever you need. This makes overhead work, wall inspections, under sink repairs, and automotive work easier because you can adjust that. And once you've used this feature, it's really hard to go back, trust me. Both cameras allow you to capture photos and video. If you're documenting inspections, creating reports, or maybe showing a customer something, maybe what's inside a wall, a ceiling, both tools will get the job done. The newer system simply delivers a much clearer image and video, making maybe documentation more useful to you. Certainly better looking. As far as build quality goes, Milwaukee has always built kind of durable inspection cameras. Both tools feel rugged enough for daily use. I've been using the older one for a decade, off and on. If you've owned that older Spector, you know what I'm talking about. They hold up well. So I don't see any significant advantage or disadvantages here, or even upgrades. They both seem really rugged. As far as my overall thoughts, the Milwaukee 2321 is a significant upgrade over the old 2311. The sharper image, slimmer camera head, longer cable, image rotation, better quality video, all make inspections faster, easier, more productive, and better quality. If you've already owned the 2311 and you use it occasionally like I do, it might still serve your needs. But if you're using it as an inspection camera regularly, whether it's remodeling, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, or automotive work, the new M-Spector 360 is worth the upgrade and worth you looking at. You can find it as a kit for about $349 at Ohio Power Tools. Guys, look, I hope you found this comparison helpful. It's a 10-year difference when these tools came out. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. We're still trying to hit 300,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next review. Take care.